Check it out, it's confetti. That right there is a BMW confetti. See this? Look at that. It's crumble. Look at that. I don't think it's heat rated. Starting to oxidize. Getting some grain. That ain't copper no more. Yeah, that's a 328i headlight. 2008. You got to take it all apart. Let me see, what do we got here? More crumbs. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Jeez. I'm glad I got this car cheap. Look at that. Wow. Nice. So, yeah. Took the harness out, obviously. Driver's side headlight. And hang on, let me get this side over here. And this is the harness for the passenger side. I took the pins out and put heat shrink on it. Had to clean the green oxidation. I had to, this one here was a ground, so I did have to cut that one, I think. Why did I do, oh yeah, because the pin was too big. I couldn't slide the heat shrink on it. You got to do it one at a time. Where's them tools at? You got to get a set like this. Find the right one. Pop the pin. And the heat shrink. Where's the heat shrink? Wow, this is a little piece of it. But I got 4-foot straws of this stuff from Granger. So now I ain't got to worry about it. Now my headlight's shorting out. Where's the other so that terminal is what this one is. So you just pop the pins out. One wire at a time.